Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Clemens, and today we're going to keep reviewing our math. We're so glad that you guys are back today, and we are going to talk about fractions today. A few weeks ago, we had a 2-week lesson on fractions, so I want to see what you guys remember. And on your class kick today, you'll have a couple worksheets on reviewing and understanding to show us that you understand what fractions are. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen with you right now. And we're going to do this together, okay? All right, let me make sure this is what I want. I don't think this is the one I want. Hang on just a second. I'm so sorry. We go class kick. There we go. This is what I want to see. All right, so I made a little class kick for us to do together today, and you'll also have your own in just a little while. All right, so the first part we talked about were equal parts and not equal parts. And remember we said if they're equal parts, they're the same on both sides. Wherever it's cut, it's gonna be the same amount or the same size on both sides. So let's look at number 1. Are these equal parts? Let's look at this pink rectangle. Are these parts equal? If you said no, you are correct. So I'm gonna put X there because they are not equal, right? I don't like that color. You can't hardly see that color. I'm going to change that. Let's go to the pen and let's make it, how about red? So it's not equal, right? So we're going to put an X for not and a check for yes, okay? All right, number 2 here. I've got this heart. Is it split in equal parts? Yes, it is. So I'm going to give it a big old check there. It is equal. Where it's cut, there is a little bit here, a little bit there, and they are the same. Good job. All right, number 3, are these equal parts? Does it look like it's split evenly? Good job, it is, good. All right, how about this triangle here? No, good job, because this part is bigger than this part, isn't it? Awesome, good job. So we're gonna put an X there, they are not equal. All right, let's look at this one. All right, we've got, what shape is this, friends? We've been going over our shapes this past week. It's a circle, good. We've got our line in the middle. Is it equal on both sides? Yes, good job. So it is equal parts. Let's look at this shape. It looks like I have 4 sides, 4 vertices. Looks like all 4 sides are equal. What shape is it? A square, good job. Now here's the line that they put there. Is this square split evenly? Is it equal? No, so we're gonna put an X. It's not. Good job. All right, let's get down to here. Let's count our sides again. 1, 2, 3, 4. I see a short, long, short, long. Who remembers the name of this shape? A rectangle. Good job, okay? So we've got our line down the middle here. Does it look like it is split equally? Yes, good job, it is. And our last one, what shape is this? Of course, it's the shape of a heart. Good job. We've got the line going through the kind of the middle. Is it equal? No, good job. It is not equal. So when we look at pictures and it asks if it's equal, it needs to be the same on both sides wherever it's split. Okay, good job. Let's move on to the next thing we talked about. All right, so then we started talking about halves. Is it a half or is it not halves? So remember, how many pieces can it have to be halves? Half means 2. It's got to be 2 pieces, okay? So what we're looking for is if it's split in halves, okay? All right, let's look right here. Is it split? Is it split into half? No, good job. So we'll put an X there. No, it's not. Is this shape split into half? Is it divided into halves? Yes, we've got 1/2 here, 1/2 here, and it's equal. So we'll give it a check. All right, let's down here, look at this one. Is this shape divided into halves? You said yes, you said the right answer. It sure is. There's 2 pieces and it is in half. If we folded it, it would fit right on top of each other. What about this one? Is it divided into halves? Right on, it sure is, because there are two pieces and they're split evenly. All right, let's look here. Look at this circle. Is it split into halves? Be very careful. No, how come? That's right, you see 4 pieces and there can't be 4 pieces for a half, so that's right. All right, good job. What about this one? Is it split into halves? No, it's not. Good, why not? There are 4 pieces, good job. All right, what about this shape? Is it divided into halves? Yes, good job, we'll give it a check. And is this one divided into halves? No, good job, because there are 4 pieces, right? Good job, give yourself a pat on the back if you answered all this correct with me. All right, we're gonna go to one more thing that we did with fractions. Okay, the last thing that we talked about is if things were given out equally, okay? If you and your sister were given these things, did you get the same amount? Was it shared fairly? Or was it shared equally? Okay, so a fair share or equal group, okay? So let's look at the baseballs. How many did this person get? 3, good. How about this one? 2, good job. Are these equal groups? 3 and 2. No, good job. All right, how about these balloons? Let's see how many we have here in our first box. 3, how many do we have in our second box? 3, good job. Is 3 equal to 3? Yeah, it's the same number, right? So it's equal, good job. All right, cupcakes. Let's look in this box. How many cupcakes do we have? 2, and how many are in this box? 2, is that an equal or a fair share? Absolutely, good job. All right, and let's look at these. What is that? It looks like a pen. Okay, look at these pens. I have how many here? 4, good job. And let's count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Are 4 and 6 the same number? Is that equal? No, good job. So I'm gonna put a big X over that, not equal. All right, let's look over here at these star buttons, the star buttons. And we can use our eyes to judge this one, but we're gonna count it just to make sure. All right, in our first box, we have how many? 3, good job. And in this box, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Are 3 and 6 equal? Are they the same number? No, they're not. Good job. So we're going to put an X on this one. Those are not equal groups. Oh, it looks like we have some more muffins. Let's see. How many is in this first box? 3. Good. How many is in the second box? 3. Good job. So is that equal? 3 and 3? Yeah, you got the same amount of muffins, didn't you? All right, we got some tennis balls here. Let's look in the first box. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in our second box, we have 1, 2, 3. Are 4 and 3, are they equal? Would you and your sister be getting the same amount? No, that is not equal. So I'm going to try to put an X here. My pen doesn't want to work. Come on, you can do it. Yeah, there we go. And our last one are apples. How many is in the top box? 4, good. How many is in the bottom box? 4, awesome. Is that equal to each other? Yes, it is, good job. All right, friends, so today we just briefly went over all the things that we've done with fractions. So we went over, is it a half? Is it not a half? It means 2 pieces. Is it equal? Is it divided up equally? Does it look the same on both sides? If we put them on top of each other with a match, that's equal or not equal. And the last part are equal groups or a fair share. Did you get the same amount as I got? And that's making it equal. Equal is the same amount, the same number. All right, so today on Class Kick, you're gonna do a couple of worksheets. And if you are in person, we're gonna be doing some things in our rooms today to also reteach this skill to you guys. All right, if you have any questions, just let us know in our Zooms today. See you guys later.